Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video specifically, I will be exposing my complete meme coin deving strategy from start to finish. Most people are out here losing thousands of dollars every single day trading meme coins, buying in, getting dumped on, and wondering why nothing ever works consistently. But me, I am on the complete side of that. Instead of trading coins and losing money, I create them and make hundreds of thousands of dollars, all by creating viral coins. In this video, I will be showing you step by step exactly how to find viral narratives, how to launch your coin, and then how to cash out whenever you want on all your coins. Everything will be done live on camera with a real example, so you can follow along and do the exact same thing right after watching. And real quick, I am not making this video to sell you a course. I am not promoting an affiliate link. I am genuinely making this video because this is how I make money, and I want to show you how I do it. Let's go. And as you guys can see on screen, guys, I've made all my money from creating coins indeed, so I do know what I'm talking about, and that's exactly why I am the only guy on YouTube making videos on how to dev coins. Anyways, let's go. Now here's exactly why I despise trading and why I would recommend everyone to stop trading at all on chain. In 2026, I would say around 93.5% of all meme coins that are being created just end up going to zero after being launched. Just like this chart right here. As you guys can see, it got launched, and after a couple minutes, the dev dumped on everyone, and all the traders that bought the coin lost a bunch of money. And for this exact reason, I stopped trading, and that's exactly why the devs are making so much money. They're the ones creating the coins and then dumping on everyone to make thousands of dollars. I can even go on other coins. It's the same thing on every single coin most of the time. It's either it goes up and then down completely, or it goes up and it dries down until zero. It's the same exact thing. The whole point is that being a dev makes way more than the traders, and that's a fact you guys will see when I do a live launch. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make a coin with my strategy, and yeah bro, everything will be done in this video for completely free. Let's go. And first ever step into launching your first meme coin is to know where to launch your coins. Now there are multiple places that you can launch your coins on. The most popular one is actually Pump.Fun, but there's a huge problem with launching here. First of all, it's over competitive, which means if you make a coin on Pump.Fun, there's a high chance that you get no buyers and you just waste your time, because there's hundreds of thousands of coins that are being created every single day on this DEX, so it's oversaturated. Instead, I launch my coins on a better DEX like Raydium, for example. It's the same thing as the migrate section right here. When a coin migrates, bro, it gets a bunch of attention, a bunch of volume most of the time, right? And even if you can just get like 20 to 30 buys, that's still profit, right? But if a coin can go viral, well, that's life-changing money, for example. So that's exactly why I make my coins on Raydium. There's more potential, and that's exactly why. Now to launch on Raydium, bro, you have two different methods. You could either create a coin through Pump.Fun and just hope for your coin to migrate to Raydium, which is like practically impossible because it will have to reach a $34,000 migration price for it to level up to Raydium. Instead, you have to be using the second method, which is on memecreate.io. This launchpad is a cheat code. Every single coin that you make here will go to Raydium immediately, and that's exactly why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now here's exactly how to create a meme coin once you decide to launch here. You could either create a coin from scratch, so whether you have a community or some type of project or narrative in your mind, well, you can make it here just like Pump.Fun, right? Or you can use their completely free Twitter tracker, and you can turn tweets into coins. Okay, so any type of news or Trump tweet or Elon Musk tweet, you will be the first on that narrative. But my personal favorite strategy is actually vamping coins. It's the same thing as copying coins. It's the same exact term. Basically, every single coin that you are seeing here has a good narrative, and it's going viral on Pump.Fun, which means all of these coins have some sort of traction, some sort of, attention, right? So we will be using these narratives to copy them and launch it to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers just by using these narratives. I will show you how right now. Now obviously bro, first of all connect your phantom wallet like I just did, and now let's look for a coin to actually create and copy. I usually, right, when I copy coins, I just go for a random one and I try it out. If you only make like $100, well, you pocket that and you go to the next copy. I'm going to copy the uncoin, why not? Click on copy the Raydium. Wait for your phantom wallet, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, click on the checkbox, click on confirm right after, and the coin will be vamped. Just wait a second. Bang. And as you guys can see, it's minted on chain, okay? So it's legit. But yeah, let's create the liquidity pool. Now this page is actually the step where we create our Raydium liquidity pool. Your coin is actually not live yet because you have to create and allocate the supply, like that you can know how much you have for yourself and how much you give out to the public, right? Now click on 90% right here. That is what I do for all my coins. It works perfectly. For the amount of SOL, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 Solana. Anywhere in between that is the perfect amount for yourself. Now, you are not going to lose this amount. You do need 0.3 to 0.5 in your wallet for the supply, and if you want it back you can. It is not a fee, okay? You just need it for your own supply. Click on create pool. Your phantom is going to show up. Just wait. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox again, confirm. After that bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the uncoin is live. And yeah guys, now people are able to buy your coin live, okay? You can go find your coin if you want to, but yeah, your P&L is going to be right there. And to see how much you're up right now within like 20 seconds, just click on refresh once again. And as you guys can see, we're up to $100 now. That is a great sign. That means people are actually attracted to your coin. Hey yo, not like that, but they like the coin, they like the narrative, and that's really good. Now go and find your coin on your trading platform, okay? Whether it's on Axiom, Photon, Nova, wherever you want, just go and find your coin. And as you guys can see, the coin is live, okay? And bang, it's pumping. That's insane. People are buying in left and right. This is exactly what I mean, guys. Oh my god, it's pumping so much. Yo, this is insane. Oh my god, this is exactly why iDev coins were already up like more than $800 if I had to assume. Like guys, I risked absolutely nothing, and we're up $800 as a creator, not even a trader, as a dev of our own coin. Like why are not, like, nobody's talking about this? It's insane. I'm gonna let this coin pump for a bit. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out from your coin. Let's go. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 4k market cap, which is not too bad. 1.8k liquidity. I think we formed a lot of transactions that could turn into creator fees, and also, oh yeah, it's pumping. Okay, we're at a 6k market cap. Let's cash out before it goes down again. Come back to memecreate.io and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, we're up 2.4 thousand. Okay, that's not bad. That's actually good, bro. What? Okay, click on the minus button. Do 100%, right? That's important. Click on remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up right here. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And bang! That's exactly how I dev coins every single day. And guys, before you click off and you call me a LARP, bang! Here's a proof. 2.4 bands straight in my phantom wallet. It's instant, by the way, because it is a phantom transaction. You are removing the liquidity back inside your phantom wallet. And yeah, bro, that's exactly how I dev coins. Memecreate.io will be linked down below, bro. And stay consistent, okay? Do not give up on the first coin. If you only make $100 on the first coin, do not give up. Just continue, stay consistent, launch and launch. That's all I can say, guys. I am not a financial advisor. Anyways, good luck. Peace out.